I'm Betty Noir and this is my 12-week burlesque challenge. So we are on day 7 of the 12-week challenge, so first week is done. It's been incredible. I've done so much in 1 week, so I've decided what I want to do for my act, chosen my music, edited my music, designed my costume. I did a little bit of research on the choreo. There's still a lot more of that to do. And I ordered pretty much everything I needed to start making my costume. And that's what we're going to talk about today, because just a few little things have arrived. So we're going to do basically a bit of an unboxing. So without further ado, let's see what I have. First thing, not related to this act at all. I bought 2 like belly dance scars to make a panel skirt out of for another act that I started about 2 years ago and have yet to finish, so that will come. Next we've got fishing wire. This is for doing the red beading on the cage skirt. Hopefully I can stop my cat from eating that while I do that. He loves string, I don't know why. I also have some glue for when I come to do the rhinestoning on the corset. I actually haven't ordered the rhinestones yet. I need to do that. That's one thing, I think maybe the only thing that I've forgotten to do, so I must do that. What else have we got? So, beads. I think I ordered 3 different types of beads. So we've got these little ones and slightly bigger ones. Hopefully the camera's focusing for you. And then we've got these little droplets, so that's what's going to make it look like blood dropping. I probably should have ordered more of those, I think, so I might have to do another order. What else have I got? Ooh, I forgot to order this. Actually, it's for another act as well. Some of you may have seen in my stories a while ago, I made a massive tulle boa, and it's blue and black, and it's to go with an old act, but that old act doesn't actually have any blue in it at the moment. So I thought I'd get some blue jewellery to sort of tie it in a bit better. So the colour of these is stunning. Oh my god. That is lush. Right, let's look at the necklace. Oh, you guys, oh my god. That is going to look so good on stage. Sparkle. I did good. That is fab. And do you know what? I can actually use this in the act I'm working on at the minute, because I'm going to have like a treasure chest filled with jewellery and pull jewellery out. So this could be one of the pieces that I pull out from the treasure chest. So I think this is the final piece, and the most exciting piece is the cage skirt. I love that this is flat pack, because when you're travelling with burlesque you end up with lots of costume pieces and your makeup and all of that. So anything that's flat pack, it's a godsend. Unfortunately my pink dress is not going to be flat pack, so every little helps. This is the cage skirt. Hopefully you can see, I've got my camera around the other way and I can't tell what you're focusing on. So my body goes in the middle there, with the cages on either side. I'm going to change the waistband so that it's a ribbon tie, and then all of the beads are going to hang on the horizontal bands so it looks like blood dripping down. I might add some roses to the top. I'll do the beading first and then see. Yeah, really pleased with that. I'm actually going to try this on and come back and show you. So back in a sec. Okay, we may have a problem, which is that I've tried the cage skirt on and come up with a costume idea for another act. It just screams that it wants to be like a cobweb, a spider's web. I'm sure someone out there must have already done this. If someone's already done this and you know, comment and let me know. Otherwise, I am so doing a Halloween act with a spiderweb cage skirt, because just hello, it has to be. Anyway, back to this act. Super fun. So yeah, I'm going to change this to a ribbon so it can come off. Pink dress over the top, we'll unzip right the way down, and open up to reveal this with all of the drippy red beads that look like blood, possibly roses, as I said. And yeah, I think it's going to be fab actually. Lots of beading to do, so that's going to take time. And I don't know if it's just because I've got big hips. I feel like this probably is supposed to be like that. I don't know. But I'm not mad at it. I'm going to get extra oomph from it, I think. So yeah, I think we're off to a good start. Loving that. Loving the bounce. Yeah, next week is all about costuming, so make sure you subscribe and join me for the rest of my journey and probably the rest of my life, because I just keep coming up with different act ideas. So it's snowballing, guys. It's really snowballing. Okay, I'm back. I just had to try on the necklace because the sparkle, it is so good. It's gonna look amazing on stage. But yeah, must not get distracted by sparkly pretty things and the other acts that I want to do. Focus on this one. First week is done and we are entering week number 2, and it's pretty much all about costuming. So yeah, subscribe. It's free.